Welcome to day 6 and we're going to start heart number 4, and what we're going to do today is what some people call the basket weave stitch. Now again, I've just around the outside on the outline I've just done back stitch in the lightest of the pink, the 818, and I'm going to be using 2 different colours to do the basket weave stitch. So I'm going to use the 2 mid shades. So the light mid and the dark mid. So what I'm going to start off with is the sort of light to mid colour, which is the 778, and I'm going to use this to do the horizontal stripes. So you're going to start bringing your needle up at the bottom on either the right or the left of the heart, it doesn't matter, and then you're going to do a horizontal stripe right the way across to the opposite side of the outline and pull it through. And then you're going to do the same on the next one. Pull that up on the right and down on the left. And again on the right. Down on the left. And you're going to continue doing that so that all of the horizontal stripes have been sewn using that one shade of pink. Okay, so once you've got all of your horizontal stitches in, you can change the colour of your thread, and at this time I've moved up a shade to the mid to dark pink, the 3733. I've got 2 strands of that, and I've come up at the bottom of the very right hand vertical line. Now, rather than just sew a straight line going from one side to the other like you did with the horizontal ones, there's going to be a bit of a difference here. So the idea is you're going to go over one stitch, under the next one, over the next stitch, under the next one. So you're going to go over, under, over, under, over, under. So for example here, go over this horizontal stitch, but go under this one here. And then we're at the outline, so we'll go down where the outline is. Okay. Now here, we'll come up here. Again, over, under, over, through, over this one, but under the next one, then over that last one to the outline and bring it down the other side. And then do the same here. Over, under, over this one, under this one, over this one, but under this one, and then over that last one to the outline. And we'll do last one here for this tutorial. So again, over the first one, but under the second. Over the third one, but under the fourth. Over the fifth, but under the sixth. Over the seventh, just about get it under the eighth. And then down at the outline. Okay, now continue that towards the left side of the heart. And here's your finished heart.